there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Birthday Wisher Chrome extension, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial walking you through how to get everything set up. So let's get started.
Okay, here we are at my Facebook page, and you can see my Chrome extensions up here at the top. The one I want to talk to you today about is called Birthday Wisher. And this is an awesome Chrome extension because it gives you the ability to send personalized happy birthday wishes to the people on your friends list. And it makes it possible for you to reconnect with maybe people that you haven't connected with in a long time. And the thing that I really love about it is that it is automatic, meaning that you don't need to go to your friends list and then click on find birthdays and then try and think of a message that's unique for each person, which can be a very time-consuming process. With this Chrome extension, it's going to save you so much time because it's all automated and you just set it up once and it works on its own. So I'm going to walk you through how to set it up, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you one little tip that has, there was something I was doing wrong and my images weren't showing. So I am going to show you at the end of this video how to make it all work successfully so that you're able to use this Chrome extension. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to get the Chrome extension. And once you get it, you log in with your name and your password. And once you do, you're going to see something like this. And so, of course, this is the home button here. I created a message group called Happy Birthday, and you can also select how often these messages go out. You don't want it to go out too fast because Facebook doesn't like all that kind of stuff, but I set mine at 2 minutes because that's kind of about how long it would take, maybe an average person to create a message. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up here to the right-hand corner and click on that, and that's going to bring up settings. You can change your password, cancel your account, sign out, whatever. But we're going to go into the settings aspect. And you can see here on the settings, there's three sections up here at the top: posts, messages, and images. So the posts are what is going to show up on the person's timeline if they have a public timeline. Messages are going to go directly to their Messenger account. And then the images, this is the part that I'm going to teach you that I just learned recently that's going to make the difference for you because these images can be customized and for each specific person. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is, with each of these sections, create a number of different messages, because what this Chrome extension is going to do is it's going to go through and randomize the posts so that Facebook doesn't think that it's a bot that's just sending the same message out 100 million times. So it's going to randomize the messages, and you've got your time set so it's not happening too quickly. And this is the way that you're going to be able to send out your birthday messages to your friends. So as you can see here, I'm going to start with the posts. What you do is, I've got a couple of them set, is I want to create a new post. We'll go in here, and it's my post title, like I said, is Happy Birthday. And then my post content, when I come up with that, I can tag the person. I can have the date listed, and then I can also attach an image that I'll show you how to do at the end. So I could say, tag person, Yahoo, today is your birthday. I hope you have a great one. And then I'm going to put in an image. So I'm going to save this, and then it's going to add it to my different ones here that I've set. Okay, so this part is done. So like I said, it's going to go through and it's going to randomize these posts. Then the messages, you can create your message segments, and mine is a happy birthday. And to edit it, you click on the pencil, and I've got a whole bunch of different, well, not a whole bunch, I've got a number of different messages. Again, it's going to randomize posting this so it doesn't get, so it's not the same message going out to every single person. And on this one too, you can do first name, last name, today, and again, attach an image. So you can see I've got a couple of birthday wishes there. I haven't been using the message section. I like the posts much better because other people then can see your posts, and then this is a way that you can get people interested in what you're saying, because they might see this birthday wish and say, oh, well, that's cool. How did they do that? And you can then, connect with this person. And then the group that I have is, my message group is happy birthday, because right now this is the only thing that I'm wishing people is happy birthday. So then the last section of this is images. Now, initially I thought, oh, okay, well, cool. You can enter in images because it says enter in an image URL. So what I did was I went to Pixabay, which are royalty-free images, and I put in that URL. And what happened is none of my images were getting posted, and it was like, what is going on? Well, I contacted the person who I got this Chrome extension from, and he told me what I was doing wrong. And actually, I was using the wrong app for my pictures. So what you really need to do, and this is the critical part, is to go to a website called Nifty Images. So that is right here, Nifty Images. And you can get Nifty Images for free, so it's not going to cost you anything. And then you're going to log in. So let me pause the video here while I log in. Okay, so I'm all logged in, and what you can do is create an image, and you can again tag it to a specific person or personalize it to a specific person. So I'm going to click on here, create image. And you're going to go to personalized image because you want the person's name on there. And they have a couple of templates here that you can experiment with. And the other thing that happened was I was up here and I didn't scroll down, so I didn't see any of the templates. It was like, how do I get this thing to work? I was getting so frustrated. But anyway, if you just scroll down just a little bit, you come up with these templates. And so I picked this one here, so I'll click on that. And so then that comes up to this area here. So you can, the dynamic text is the name. So if you have the person's name, once you put the link into your birthday wisher, then it's going to say happy birthday, whoever this is going to, because this is going to change depending on who you're sending it to. And say, for example, you want to change the image. Well, go to image settings. You can change the background image right here. And then what you would do is, again, I went to Pixabay and I downloaded a couple of birthday pictures. And then you would just drag and drop that into this box here, and that will put that image in there, and you can change the background image, which is what I did with my bright yellow one that I made. You can also change the background color, image settings here, background color, add an element. So if you want a dynamic image, which is what you want, this is where you're gonna drag and drop your image that you want to use. And the merge tag layer is where you want to add in the person's name. So that's over here. So this one here, I've got the merge tag, which is Matthew, and that name, like I said, is going to change. You can change the font when you're in this. You can change the font color. Here you can change the background. You can change the font size. You can change the alignment. So once you get it where you want it, then what you would do is click Save. And I'll just say Test. submit, and it's saving, and it's going to give you a link. So the link that you want to use is actually where it says merge tag is the last part. So anything between the quotation marks here is what you want to use in that URL section on Birthday Wisher. So quotation mark here, I copied, Control C, I copied everything in between. So then when you go back to Facebook and you click on your Birthday Wisher, here we go, and I'll click on settings and click on images. So you can see here that it's already got one here, but I'll put my the link that I just copied, I put that in there, and I click add, and there we go. So you can see that it just added that one there. If you don't want it, if you didn't like it or you want to change it, you can always just delete the image right there. So what this is going to do is, depending on the post that you set, so if you go over here to this post, I've tagged the person, today is your birthday, hope you have a great one, and it's going to attach one of the images. You can edit the post or you can delete the post, but like I said, make sure that you've got a couple of different versions of what you're saying so everything can be randomized. But anyway, I hope you found that to be helpful. It's really critical that you go to the Nifty Images for your dynamic images. So you're going to pick responsive and dynamic and tag the person in the image, and that way when they get it, it's going to have their name on it. It's going to help to make them feel special on their birthday. And like I said, this is going to save you so much time because you're not searching through your friends list trying to find out who's got a birthday and who doesn't and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you found this to be helpful. I'll be doing some more videos on some of the other Chrome extensions, and I'll see you on the next one.